swatching C9, one of the darkest grays. And for the bonus combination, we're going to Rebel Blend. I'll show you what I mean. I'm Elena Casares with VioletaInk.com, and we carry Copic Markers, the nibs, and the ink replacement. Thank you. We are starting with C9. We're going to flicking away from the fence, or like me, I didn't build a fence, just from the edge. Then C7, and then C5. It's going to be a very blended blend. YR27 is what we are underpainting with. And you might think, really? Is this really going to change anything on the C9? And yes, it is. Look at it right now. You can actually see how it is desaturating the C9, and it makes it look darker. Now, for the bonus combination, I am doing a Rebel blend. So we started with YR27, and then on top of it is going to be C9. On top of this one, we're going with C7. Now, the difference here is going to be that now I am starting on the other end with B69. The next one is B66. Now, B66 and C7 are going to be similar, very close numbers, 6 and 7. And this is called swishing. Well, that's what Amy Scholke calls it. And that is a Rebel blend, where you blend one family with a very different family. And now the Prismacolor pencil match was pretty easy. It's cool gray, 90%. The staining test, nah, it's not gonna move. And it is going to, if you keep rubbing on it, it is gonna transfer to your marker. This is the cool gray, 90%. Don't press too hard. It's better just to go over a few times until you get to the exact saturation that you want. And we're starting with the wings. This is for the natural family combination, not underpainted. This is only C9, C7, and C5. They are so close together, like all the family combinations are very close. So this one blends very nicely. Just going one more time so we can complete the wing. And this is going to be underpainted, YR27. And you can see the difference right away. This is C9, C7, and C5. Remember that underpainting goes the fastest. C9, which is your darkest, is going to be a little bit slower. C7 is going to be the medium speed, and C5 is going to be your fastest. Now, this is the bonus combination without underpainting. Only the C9, now C7. Remember, we're going to start from the other edge for B69. Let me know if you like this Rebel blending. I can actually add more to the next ones, to the next all abouts. And this is swishing. We are swishing here so we can get a better blend. Now this is underpainting, YR27. On top of it, we go with C9 and then C7. We're going to start from the end. B69 and B66, and you do need to swish in the middle. It has to go all over on top C7 so they can actually blend. And the staining test, that didn't work. So all we're all about for C9 is the natural family combination C9, C7, and C5, underpainting with YR27. The bonus combination is we underpainted with YR27, then C9, C7. On the other side, we start with B69, B66. B66 has to swish around so it can blend. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next week. Bye.